I am Mateen from Afghanistan. Greetings to you. Is it permissible to write 786 instead of Bismillah or instead of Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim? In the Arabic language, the Arabic alphabets and letters are called as Huruf al-Hijaiyah. And certain people, way after our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Sahaba, they came up with certain numerical values for these Arabic letters and alphabets. So for example, for Alif, the numerical value is 1. For Ba, the numerical value it is 2. For Jim, it is 3. For Sin, it is a particular numerical value, and so on and so forth. But this was introduced by certain people, not by authentic scholars, not by the classical scholars, not by scholars who understand the religion of Islam, but by certain people who just came up with these numerical values, thinking that it will be easy to write it as a short form. Writing 786 instead of Bismillah or Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, it is not established from the glorious Quran, nor from the authentic sayings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Neither did the Sahabas talk about this or mention this figure of 786. Neither did the classical scholars mention regarding this. So certain people, they came up with this afterwards, and when you add up all of this, for example, Ba has a particular value, Sin has a particular value, Mim has a particular value. When you add all of the letters in Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, the total comes up to 786. There is no basis for this. This should not be done. It has no basis from the glorious Quran, nor does it have any basis from the authentic teachings of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And if you add these numerical values, it can mean something bad as well. So if you want to write Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, you either write Bismillah or you either write Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. But you should avoid writing 786. It is not based on any verse of the glorious Quran. It's not mentioned anywhere in the glorious Quran, nor in any authentic hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad. May peace and blessings be upon him. So this should not be done. I hope that answers your question.